Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed about the functions of marketing and I have explained the 5 functions of marketing. And in this class we are going to continue and another 5 functions I am going to explain over here. The sixth one is packing, labeling and branding. So students, packing refers to designing and developing the package for the product, and it involves designing package for the products to facilitate handling, lifting, covering of the goods. So we can say it is the covering of the goods and services. See, if we have a goods, we are going to protect for the particular goods, the manufacturer are going to pack or cover the goods. That is what we call as packing here. This is the function of marketing. Then next, label, that is labeling. So labeling is a slip which is found on the product itself or on the package, providing all the information regarding the product and its producers. For example, the name of the medicine or its bottle along with the manufacturer's name, the formula used for making the medicines, date of manufacturing, expiry date, batch number, price, etc. are printed on the slip. So usually if you purchase a brand, if you purchase any product, the slip will be attached on the particular brand. So that slip is called as labeling over here. And the next, that is branding. A very important decision area for marketing of most consumer products is whether to sell the product in its generic name, that is a name of the category of the product, say fan, pen, etc., or to sell them in a brand name such as Popular Fan or Ronald's Pen, etc. We can say branding distinguishes the generic commodity name to a brand name. For example, wheat flour is a generic name commodity, while Ashirvad Atta is a brand name. In service industry also branding matters a lot. Okay. And the next function is a physical distribution. Here physical distribution is nothing but a transportation. Under this function of a marketing, the decision about carrying things from the place of production to the place of consumption is taken place into an account. And to accomplish this task, decision about 4 factors are taken. They are transportation, inventory, storage or warehousing, order processing. These factors will be involved in the physical distribution, where the goods and services are transferred from one place to another place or one person to another person. Physical distribution by taking things at the right place and at the right time creates time and place utility. Okay, and the next one is financing. The financing functions of marketing involves providing credit for channel members or consumers. It involves the use of capital to meet the financial requirements of agencies dealing with the various activities of marketing. The services to provide the credit and money needed to the cost of getting merchandise into the hands of the final user is commonly referred to as a finance functions in marketing. Usually we studied about the financing and we call it finance is the heart of a business. So without finance it is difficult to run a business. Okay, and the next function of marketing is risk taking. In marketing term, it refers to uncertainty about consumer purchase resulting from creation and marketing of goods and services that consumers may purchase in future. From production to selling, many risks involved due to changes in market conditions, natural causes, and human factors, changes in fashion or invention. In the same sense, they may also be due to determination, accidents, or due to fluctuations in price caused by changes in supply and demand. The various risks are termed as place risk, time risk, and physical risk. So, usually, in each and every business, in every organization, risk is involved. So marketer is supposed to face many risks and he is supposed to find out the remedies for the particular uncertainties and risk. And the next function is customer support service. So usually I informed you these functions of marketing start from the collection of information and ends with customer support services. So customer is the king of market. Therefore, it is one of the chief function of marketer to offer every possible help to the customers. A marketer offers primarily the following services to the customers. So, what are all the services the retailer as well as marketer supposed to serve to the customers are after sales services, handling customers complaints, technical services, credit facilities, maintenance services. These are the services the marketer supposed to serve to the customers. So students, here we have discussed about the continuation part of the functions of marketing. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any queries based on the topics, please contact me and clarify your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.